tie enable tie plank. Okay, you enable tie. Ta abuse ya tie me ni anwe ya tie. He set it tie plank. E matana oge fina here whenever if you do not go me. One way close, other way open. Here whenever only my way we see the best of friends. We will still be the best of friends because we have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. So if you do not go man, don't come in that line. Call him direct not by sing with Nigeria. Even is about dropping video now because he ma where I'm a bog boma monak boma unakagbe. When I na mesena or several we mori you na for me to leave my home. Ina we were na ina ya gwegwan. Mo baria mo na gigbe me ma ni apute but me ido imi ope ayin oko wala okasunu de yi we go kogun okuna oku ona be giving of a year ona we go opiala we yen we like okuna na giving of a year sometimes us dey make a mind where on our deni ala I'm short of words but nevertheless one way close another way open onana bungbene imateo ewe ni awo na agaro ewe ni ana.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Prophet Atiti. Atiti don come out na come renounce Asaboro. Wahala be like bicycle. Ever since two of them they say that they date each other. This one go say they date Atiti go they happy. You say want change Atiti life, he want change many people come they insult the woman. Some say why the woman go stay so low, say Atiti want follow. Some say the Atiti too look for the woman. They talk so many things. Some come say talk say Atiti not go school. Why she go follow Atiti wey be local person? Atiti wey not go school now he want follow. They can't talk so many things. The woman can't begin to beg everybody. They can't say Atiti don't insult women well. Say women where Atiti don't insult, you know, they're too many. So they talk so many things. And the woman can't, they say no problem. They can't beg everybody. They can't beg. They can't begin to beg. So two of them some go still talk say you sure say you really love Atiti? I been a prank you dey. She go talk say no, she not the prank. Oh, she love Atiti. Many people come they call the woman, they come they encourage her. Some come say make the woman not worry. If they want to do marriage, they go pay for the money. When they want to do marriage, some come say they go pay for the hall. Some come say they go pay for the food. Some come say they go pay for the food where they want cook. They can't talk so many ogbonge things inside. So the woman come they say so come say make the woman not worry. If Atiti just come make it let them know that they UK make it save their number, they go help am. May not worry. They go help Atiti to get paper because the woman too not still get paper. So meanwhile the verse from it of the verse for the matter say as she dey beg everybody as if say na only Atiti offend them, then too see offend Atiti. Ajebo come say if not be say na the woman wey she like the woman, if na another person for all the saga the sins, cause if they wait till wey they go bring woman, anything wey make them bring woman, then go start to dey insult the women them, and go saga the women till the woman even born pikin sef. So because of Asaboro, that is Inec officer. And because of her, that make them leave Atiti. So because Atiti must come beg. The many talk like So today now, as I dey waka for the street of Facebook, now I can see say Atiti they do live video, short video. Now say make I listen to this video. As I listen now, I see say Atiti they talk say this talk not too much, and you know fit again. One just come talk and now say Benin they make one parable say atewa mugbize amanagi mu aha eri begiova. He say if you say you carry farm of rice, if you don't come carry again, and they don't go bring paper can't give you for court. He says so now she no want follow the woman again or make the whole world make the rest for the matter. Many talk not too much, insult not too much. So she no fit again. So she want rest for the woman. Make the woman see move on. Two of them go see be best friends. So you know fit again. Because the insult not too much. People don't insult the woman, rubbish the woman because of her. So the woman a very nice woman when he not go want make the rubbish. So the thing you can't shocktalize me say, except say maybe na prank gonna be do. If not be prank, my brother, you can continue. Let them talk. And they get their mouths, you understand? So you do the right thing. And the woman because they change you small, you know. So if you know say not be prank, say you really love her. No look anybody, you not look who she face. So continue, my dear. So now need that advice now say make I give you. So I'll put the video now away from when Atiti talk. So thank you, my darling. Probably when I share the video, let the video go viral because at this way we share the video, make people see here waiting in talk. Thank you. Bye.
Share the video. Let the video go viral. Yes. Uwaya to off waya go waro. Meno you one waya new generation prophet Atiti off waya gbe. Ero mo wi yomo ya fe kin wase kin warame. Igbama walao evini ado tana wa ge son wa gbe. Wa ge we wa ogbo meno omoni we ni kata ni omo no gwera bi je dia ehin evini do tam wa gbe na iwie do tawe ate wa mu gbize ana wa mu akanu wina ri be gioma ewon owokoko na asaboro waya ye phenomenon emi na gbon ama we gbe wa yo pa ori fo egbe your heart desire usabaga ya wewe emi ni do tamu pe atamu ko we na is a short video in wina yena nu wala o pe anogire ba ko nogire ba nu wa ewe be matana here whenever I continue my journey. It matter a phenomenon. Here whenever matter anati bi goma gwa. Anazo wa azoko say it's not a crime. But why me we rioji erie e matana la gedene na wala wa egui abira me bijeme ima ya no wogo me no ma no gwale mi si dame kin wase kin warame e de no ma egbe oye buse no yegbe adirefi e de no ma egbe oye buse no yegbe wala o e ya we ni do tie e ne botie plank ina we ni do tie e ne botie plank okay yewe e ne botie ta abuse ya tie e ma ni anwe ya tie e set it plank e matana oge fina e wenewo e we do no go me one way close other way open e wenewo oni ma way we still be the best of friends. We will still be the best of friends because we have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. So if you do not go, man, don't come in that line. Call him direct not by sing with Nigeria. Even is about dropping video now because he ma o yan we amwe bog boma mona gboma ona kagbe we na me se na iyen oseveri